Lemongrass, also known as Cymbopogon, is a versatile and aromatic herb that is commonly used in cooking, herbal medicine, and even as a natural insect repellent. One of the most popular varieties of lemongrass is green lemongrass, which is known for its fresh and citrusy flavor. Green lemongrass is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Vitamin A is important for healthy vision, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the immune system and fight off infections. Folate is crucial for cell division and DNA synthesis, while magnesium and zinc play a role in various bodily functions, such as muscle and nerve function, metabolism, and immune system support. In addition to its nutritional benefits, green lemongrass also contains several bioactive compounds that have been shown to have various health-promoting properties. One of the most well-known compounds in lemongrass is citral, which gives the herb its distinctive citrusy aroma. Citral has been studied for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, making it a valuable ingredient in natural remedies and skincare products. Green lemongrass is often used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues, respiratory problems, and skin conditions. The herb is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help soothe digestive discomfort, relieve coughs and congestion, and promote healthy skin. Some studies have also suggested that green lemongrass may have potential anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed to confirm these findings. In addition to its medicinal benefits, green lemongrass is a popular ingredient in culinary dishes around the world. The herb is commonly used in Asian cuisine, particularly in Thai, Vietnamese, and Indonesian dishes. Green lemongrass adds a bright and refreshing flavor to soups, curries, stir-fries, and marinades. It can be used fresh, dried, or powdered, depending on the recipe and personal preference. Green lemongrass is also used in herbal teas and infusions, where it is prized for its calming and soothing properties. The herb is often combined with other herbs, such as ginger, mint, and chamomile, to create a fragrant and flavorful beverage that can help relax the mind and body. Green lemongrass tea is a popular choice for those looking to unwind after a long day or improve their digestion. Another benefit of green lemongrass is its natural insect repellent properties. The citronella oil found in lemongrass is known to repel mosquitoes, flies, and other insects, making it a popular choice for natural bug sprays and candles. Green lemongrass can also be planted in gardens or around outdoor seating areas to help keep pesky insects at bay. Overall, green lemongrass is a versatile herb with a wide range of health and culinary benefits. Whether used in cooking, herbal medicine, or as a natural insect repellent, green lemongrass is a valuable addition to any home. Its fresh and citrusy flavor, combined with its nutritional and medicinal properties, make it a must-have herb for anyone looking to improve their health and well-being naturally.